The Cubot Tab KingKong S is a new rugged phone from Cubot. It is designed to be a practical tablet for anyone who needs a durable daily driver without breaking the bank. For an expected price of $250, you get in a large 10.1-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. Powering it is the Unisoc T616 octa-core chip paired with 6GB RAM plus 10GB virtual RAM expansion support and 256GB storage. Plenty for multitasking, media, and even some light gaming. Storage is also expandable with a TF card, making it flexible for heavy users. What really stands out is the massive 15,300 mAh battery, which is far larger than most mainstream tablets. This means days of use without worrying about charging. And of course, it supports fast charging, but the exact speed wasn't really disclosed. On top of that, Cubot included a capable 48MP rear camera with face detection autofocus and a 16MP front camera, which is rare for tablets at this price point. You also get dual SIM support, full 4G LTE bands, GPS with multiple satellite systems, Wi-Fi dual band, and Bluetooth 5.0, making it versatile as both a productivity and communication device. Yes, it's bulky at 912 grams and 15.6mm thick, but that's the trade-off for ruggedness and such a huge battery. Now overall, for $250, the Tab KingKong S offers serious value, a rugged build, big battery, modern software, Android 15, which I forget to mention, a smooth display, solid cameras, and all-round connectivity. Things you don't usually find bundled together at this price point. So in short, if you want an affordable, durable, long-lasting rugged tablet, the Cubot Tab KingKong S is the perfect rugged tablet for you. Anyway, this is what I have for you guys. What are your thoughts? What do you think about the features and price of the Cubot KingKong Tab S? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.